Yo, so you don't even know if the Earth is flat or what?
Yeah, that's how it's measured.
Wow. Nothing is built in a circle. It's all flat.
Yeah, it's all flat.
What do you do for work?
I'm a YouTuber.
Really? Yo, I'll check out your channel, man. What's your channel's name?
Nathan Oakley 1980.
Oh, right. Yes, yeah. Got 20. So what do you do on YouTube then?
So on YouTube, I debate cosmology with people. On here, I do something slightly different with people like you.
Okay. See that.
So what I do on here with people like you tilt your camera down just 2 inches.
Oh, Lord, I'm going to be on YouTube, innit?
Probably. Depends how this next conversation goes. But I just want to see your face. I want to see your reaction. So what I do on here is I tell people like yourself that they're part of a religion they were taught in school that they were just unaware of.
Okay, I can't lie. I think my school was Christian.
Not what I mean.
What do you mean by that then?
Okay, so in school, you would have been taught a religion known as Heliocentrism. Ring any bells? No? Okay.
What?
If I break down the Roman Catholic Church's model, you'll be familiar with it when I tell you what you would have been taught. So you would have been taught that you're on a ball moving around the sun. Does that sound familiar?
Yeah, it actually does, yeah.
That's your religion.
I'm still confused about that.
Okay. So get this right, because on the last couple of videos I've been a bit vague and people have moaned at me. About 500 years ago, a guy called Copernicus came up with a model that put the sun at the centre and the earth moving around it, otherwise known as heliocentric. Now, over the next couple of hundred years, they refined that model till about 300 years ago, where we reached the point that we've got what you were taught in school as the world, as a ball flying around the sun. Yeah. So let me ask you a question. Up until 20 seconds ago, were you under the misapprehension that there were men floating around in the sky vacuum called space?
No.
You didn't believe in trips to the moon and men in spacesuits? You didn't believe that?
No, I don't really, I'll be honest.
Oh, fair enough. Well, you're halfway there already. Okay, well, I'll skip that part then. What I will say is there's one good reason, should anybody ever ask you the same question, to not believe that there are men in space. So gas, like you're breathing, do you smoke or vape?
Yeah, I smoke, yeah.
Right, when you breathe out, although smoke isn't necessarily gas particles, but you appreciate that the smoke or gas dissipates into the area, right?
Yeah.
Well, gas, as a law of nature, will always do that. It's called entropy. Gas fills space. So if the sky was a vacuum, the gas you're breathing would fill the space. Make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
So space and everything they claim to have in it, like trips to the moon, orbits, the ISS, it's all fake.
Damn. Now you actually say that, does make sense.
Yeah, it's all lies. Part of a religion. You just never knew it. They taught it you in school, along with a vast majority of the Western world. It's called the One World Religion.
Yo. Now you say that, yeah, well, oh my. I actually have no words. I'm speechless, man. I'll be real.
Well, there you go. Now you find out something new every day. You've just found out that you're part of a mass religion that you never knew you were a part of, called Heliocentrism.
Crazy. That is crazy.
You want to know something else?
Yeah, go on.
The Roman Catholic Church that gave you your religion that you were a part of until 20 seconds ago, in order to make that idea of being on a ball, the way they make it is by measuring the ground with elevation angles to the stars. So you measure the angle that the star is with respect to the horizon. That's called an elevation angle. So you take angle measurements to stars like the North Star, Polaris, and with those measurements, you can make a ball. Yeah? So you measure Earth flat with angles to stars, and with those measurements, you can mathematically create a ball to stand on.
Yo, so you don't even know if the Earth is flat or what?
Yeah, that's how it's measured.
Wow.
Have you never thought about things like sea level, surface level, eye level? All level, isn't it? That's how they build
Oh
on the
my
ground.
days.
That's how we navigate it. That's how we mapped it.
That is crazy. Now you actually say that. Nothing is built in a circle. It's all flat.
Yeah, it's all flat.
Wow. That's crazy. I would never think that in my life.
Yeah. Earth's measured, navigated, flown upon, flat.
You're some smart guy to be thinking
Nah, not at
about.
all. I'm surrounded by smart people who are all listening in on this conversation.
What do you do science or something?
Not
Science. This has
exactly.
nothing to do with science, you dumbass cracker.
Science is looking at things happening in nature, like phenomena, whereas measuring angles off a plane to stars is just measurements. It's measuring as opposed to science.
Yeah, that is. I would never think that ever.
But they
And
wanted
two
you to
things you
believe.
told me.
They wanted you to believe it was your world, so they will have taught you this stuff about being on a ball in a science class, right?
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, because science is about physics or the physical and natural world. So if they tell you a religion in physics class, you're going to naturally assume it's the physics of the world or the physicality of the world. It isn't. It's just what they teach you in school as a religion.
And I would never think that. Them two, you've just brought something new into my head.
What's your name?
Honest.
Well, stop
My
being
name?
a dumbass.
Hold on, I've got to mute my producers. They're piping up when they shouldn't be. What's your name?
My name's DJ.
DJ? My name's Nathan
Yeah.
Oakley, as you know. You'll see yourself on
Yeah.
YouTube, DJ.
Oh Lord! All right, I'll see myself. When would you be uploading the video?
It'll take me a couple of days to edit all the other clips out, but I don't know, a couple of days.
Okay, so a whole bunch of people getting added in it.
A whole bunch of people
Alright.
finding out they got a religion they didn't know they had.
Okay.
You're one of them.
Well, I'll definitely be checking that out.
Right, move your camera down. Give us a big smile. Take it easy. DJ, right?
You too. Yeah.
Take it easy, DJ.
You too.
Earth is flat.